तो कितने परसेंटेज बच्चे प्लेसमेंट्स ऑफर करते हैं, चूज करते हैं, एंड कितने परसेंटेज बच्चे
and they pay extremely high compared to any other companies. Around 12 to 12.5 lakhs per month is what their salary is.
12 to 12? So hi everyone, we are in ISI hostel and we have one of the very important persons at this point of time with us. Soumil, he's a placement coordinator and is in master's first year. So आज के सेशन के अंदर, इस सेशन के अंदर विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्लेसमेंट ट्रेंड्स व्हिच हैव अकर्ड ओवर द इयर्स एंड अभी क्या ट्रेंड्स चल रहे हैं, सो दैट द व्यूअर्स हु वांट टू गेट इनटू आईएसआई, बिकॉज उनका सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये होता है कि प्लेसमेंट्स किस तरीके से चल रही हैं आजकल आधे इन कंपैरिजन विद आईआईटीज, व्हाट आर द एवरेज पैकेज. तो इसमें बहुत ही कैजुअल कन्वर्सेशन करना है. ओके, सो यस, सो एनीथिंग दैट वुड स्टार्ट विद.
Sure. So, placements mainly say we'll talk about placements for the B startup students at ISI, and placements are usually offered in the first year of your masters. तभी internships मिलती है. Second year से you get your full time.
तो फर्स्ट ईयर में इंटर्नशिप होती है एंड सेकंड ईयर में यू गेट द फुल टाइम. सो इनमें से कुछ पीपीओ जाते होंगे एंड
most of the students get PPOs.
पीपीओस. ओके, तो सो विल स्टार्ट विद कि अभी आजकल क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ देयर आर 100 स्टूडेंट्स लेट्स से इन मास्टर्स, लेट्स से, तो कितने परसेंटेज बच्चे प्लेसमेंट्स ऑफर करते हैं, चूज करते हैं, एंड कितने परसेंटेज बच्चे दे चूज द पीएचडी.
So usually there's 50-50 या 60-40 होता है. So around 60 to 50% students opt for placements and the rest go for PhD.
तो 60% ऑफर प्लेसमेंट, 60 या 50 के
Yeah,
आसपास.
50-60 के आसपास placements के लिए बैठते हैं.
Okay.
And बाकी 40%, 50% go for PhDs.
ओके, तो पीएचडी, पहले पीएचडी की बात कर लेते हैं ब्रीफली. तो पीएचडी के जो बच्चे पीएचडी ऑफर कर लेते हैं, तो दे वहां पे व्हाट आर द गो टू कॉलेजेस पर्टिकुलरली फ्रॉम
Right.
आईआईटी
So
कोलकाता.
if we talk about the top students at PhD, so we have great networks with say, Stanford, Harvard, Wharton. So we have students going to such top universities every year, and even the decent or average performing students get into good tier 1 or tier 2 universities abroad. Say U Michigan, Columbia, Princeton. Such universities are very common, and like students get into these universities.
So are there also students जो आईएसआई से ही पीएचडी करना चाहते हैं? Yeah.
Very few students.
So
Probably
most of the students जो opt करते हैं PhD, they go abroad.
they go abroad. Mostly to different US universities.
And they're able to get into the good universities without any forms.
Most of them, yes.
Okay, great. Now let's talk about the placements. Okay, so जो बच्चे those who are opting for the placements, so M stats की बात कर लेते हैं पहले. तो वहाँ पे कितना अभी आजकल what are the first of all companies which are coming in the last couple of years, if you can.
So, say most of the students would get into different quant roles or risk roles at different, say, financial institutions. JP Morgan हो गई, Goldman Sachs हो गई, और Capital One हो गई. And we also have a lot of like product-based companies coming for data science roles. Be it say Amazon, Intuit, in Modi.
Okay.
And apart from that, lately we've also been receiving a lot of consultancies because there's a huge demand for AI. Right? Because of that, we're getting a lot of consultancies. McKinsey, Bain, such companies have been coming to ISI for, say, consultant statistics or AI expert roles.
Okay. And क्या average package?
Average package would be, say, this year and last year around 27-28 LP would be the average as well as the median.
और highest?
Highest would be around 50 LP.
50 LPA. So ये आप M stats की बात कर रहे हो या बाकी masters also? Only
M stat mainly.
because major बच्चे जो B stat करते हैं they automatically get into
Yes,
M stat. Okay. Alright. So यहाँ पे again जो आजकल नए startups आ रहे हैं they are also coming to the campus.
We don't get a lot of extremely new startups because again the new startups are not willing to pay in such high ranges, right? But we got a lot of say जो pedigree startups है like Lenskart हो गया, Zomato हो गया, they come whenever they have requirements. So
Okay. So उससे पहले हम internship की बात करते हैं. So internship is also a very important thing for the masters. So internship first year के अंदर होती है and it is your responsibility to make sure that all the students are interned into some. So अभी internship के अंदर कौन सी companies आ रही हैं and how's it?
So internships के लिए so this year firstly we got everybody placed for internships as well as full time. So we have 100% placement.
100%, okay. So I mean, is it something new or no?
No, that's something that happens almost every year. We have 100% placements at ISI. So for internships, we got two very big companies this time. That is QuantWorks and IMC that came for say top tier quant roles, and they pay extremely high compared to any other companies. Around 12 to 12.5 lakhs per month is what their salary is.
12 to 12.5 lakh per month.
Yes.
I mean, in India.
In India, yes.
Amazing.
So, yeah.
Amazing. So what roles?
These are quantitative research roles. So these are trading companies, and they come for quantitative research roles. That is, people who will be building algorithms or doing research on financial markets.
So कितने लोग लेके जाती है?
So one got into IMC, one got into QuantWorks
Oh, okay.
for internship.
So do they also get EPOs?
So this is the first time that we are getting such quant companies.
Okay.
to compare. Let's see.
Okay, amazing. Amazing role. Yes.
Apart from that, say most of the students again for internships get into these companies that I've been mentioning, the consultancies, the financial institutions, or product-based companies. Most of the students that actually get internships are the ones who get placed into these companies because almost all of them get PPOs. And yeah,
Okay.
so we have similar level of companies coming for internships as well as placements.
Amazing. So Will, one more thing which I want to ask, right? So there are a lot of students from different backgrounds who get into ISI. So typically, one kind of students are the ones who have a very strong Olympiad background.
Right.
The others are again who start from 11th and 12th. They study number theory, whatever. मतलब 11th, 12th में वो सब कुछ करते हैं and they get. So again, it would be fairer to say that some people have more mathematical heavy background.
Right.
So उनको कोई फायदा होता है ज़्यादा?
I would say that initially probably your first year थोड़ा फायदा हो सकता है उनको because they are already aware of the kind of rigor that they are going to face over here.
So after a certain point, everything balances.
Yeah, after a certain point, everything balances out because ISI rewards diligence more than it rewards, say, being a genius. So if you're diligent with your work and if you're consistently keeping up with the coursework, then you should be at par.
Amazing. Okay. So we have Rajit sir also sitting here. So Rajit sir is a senior of Swamil. So Rajit sir, if you have anything to ask at this point of time.
So, like, I remember my time when I was here having the placements and the companies he's speaking, like, the QuantWorks and all. I guess there was one company also, which was the startup of ISI. And if I'm not wrong, they were paying on 1.5 CR for, the placements. And we were all like, कि मतलब ये company आएगी, but it didn't come. So I'm like really happy to hear it right now, कि those companies started coming now. If I'm not wrong, the PPO भी इतना ही जाएगा.
हाँ, PPO भी.
Right.
But this is crazy. 12 to 12.5 lakh per month internship. Amazing.
Like to tell you, this is also the highest IIT Bombay also gets. So now we are talking about the placements of ISI being at par with IIT Bombay top.
I really doubt कि 12.5 per month IIT Bombay में मिलता होगा.
There's just one company which pays there, and ISI has got two now.
So there are a lot of companies who say the top IITs के CS
Jane Street.
Jane Street is the one now.
So there are many companies, so such quant companies go to IITs as well, especially just for CS branches. So we are also trying to get such companies at ISI now because like whatever we're studying is very relevant to them as well. So if we get more such more inflow such companies, then that will be great for us.
Amazing.
They are
This
opportunities
is
for the future.
amazing insight. And I'm very sure जो बच्चे इसको देख रहे हैं, they would want to get into ISI to get these.
Basically, in the world जहाँ पे सारे IIT सारे डेटा के कोर्सेज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, it was a threat जो देखा जाता था कि ISI के कोर्सेज इतने ना रहे इम्पोर्टेंट. यहाँ पे देखा जाता था ISI को वैल्यू ज्यादा ही मिल गई है because IIT को रिकॉग्निशन मिल गई है. Now ISI is coming more, like beautiful in this way.
एक चीज मैं पूछना चाहूँ because of this AI era coming in, जो पिछले 2 सालों में era हुआ है. So have they made any changes to the courses to make students more acclimatized to AI driven jobs?
So there have been certain changes in the courses. There have been minor updates in the courses. But in the MSAT course, even from before, we had a lot of say fundamental machine learning and AI already included. We have brought in a new course specifically designed for say the current level of data science that is happening. That is the BSDS course. But apart from that, the flagship course that is GSAT and SAT has not had any major changes because of that. It was already pretty at par.
So पहले से it was integrated.
I'd like to just add one point here कि मतलब I remember कि I had my friend who came from IIT Delhi to do a research project here and I was my third year during that time. So I remember there's one company in which one of my friends got placed and ideally in the first go he's like IIT Bombay CS typical ranker and he was rejected in the interview straight away because he was very good in all the things, but the thing was they asked the fundamentals that how does this thing work, that why does this thing work, and he didn't have an answer. And that is the measure theory course in M1 which is actually taught here as a curriculum since ages we are talking about now. So that's the supremacy which ISI is carrying right now.
So mathematics में there is no comparison.
Not till now, मतलब and I don't see comparison coming up in the future.
एक और चीज मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूँ because IITs के अंदर since you mentioned, so there's a course called mathematics and computing,
Right.
So and I think you were also watching that course, you were also deciding whether to go for maths and computing versus taking BStat. So उसमें क्या difference है BStat, MStat versus math computing? If you can throw certain light.
So ठीक है, so maths and computing comes like वो ज्यादा आ जाता है computing basis पे. So for example, they like I mentioned about measure theory. Measure theory is the why or the basic of how everything is happening. MNC won't touch on that part. उसका focus होगा कि how maths can be used in computing. It will be very surface level knowledge कि how maths work in these bases. But when you come to ISI here, यहाँ पे focus maths पे ज्यादा होगा. Computing will be like the easy part of that. So it's like यहाँ पे कौन difficult part manage कर रहा है, कौन easy part manage कर रहा है. Difference यहाँ पर आ जाता है.
I'll have one more input over here. That is, this ISI's degree is more like a research degree. So you study everything at, say, a research level compared to, say, a BTech in mathematics and computing, which would say be more broad in some sense. But
The depth
say,
will not be.
right, the depth might be there in some other field. May not be in mathematics. Would be more in computation. So
Okay. So Swamil, तुम्हारी internship लग गई?
हाँ.
कहाँ पर?
I'll be interning at JP Morgan.
Oh, amazing, amazing.
It's one of the dream companies of anyone.
So you will be expecting the PP offer as well.
Let's hope for the best.
Amazing, amazing. So all your friends have been placed. I mean, internships of you.
Yes, exactly.
So it is 100% at this point of time, and your seniors have been placed already.
Yes.
Amazing, great. So this is amazing, guys. This is amazing statistics shared by Somil, and he is a placement coordinator. So thank you, Somil, for this amazing inputs and insights, and I'm sure this is going to help a lot of students decide whether to go for ISI or not.
Thank you very much.
Amazing statistics in statistics college. Nice.
Chalo, all the best.